Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Farro, a delightful ancient grain, brings a wonderfully chewy texture and nutty flavor to your plate. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for salads, hearty stews, or as a nutritious side dish. Best of all, cooking farro at home is surprisingly simple, making it an excellent addition to your healthy eating routine. Get ready to enjoy this satisfying grain with ease, enhancing your meals with its unique character. Before cooking, always give your farro a good rinse under cold, running water. This washes away any starches or debris, ensuring a cleaner taste. While not strictly necessary for all varieties, soaking farro for at least 30 minutes or even overnight is a fantastic idea. This extra step helps to soften the grain, significantly cutting down on your cooking time later on. The stovetop method is probably the most common and straightforward way to cook farro perfectly. Simply combine 1 part farro with 3 parts cold water or vegetable broth in a medium saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, just like cooking pasta. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the grains are tender with a delightful chew. For those times when you need farro on the table quickly, your pressure cooker is an absolute game changer. It dramatically reduces cooking time without sacrificing any of that delicious texture. Just combine 1 part farro with 2 parts water or broth in your pressure cooker. Cook on high pressure for 10 to 15 minutes, then allow a natural release for 5 minutes. Once your farro is cooked to perfection, carefully drain any remaining liquid using a fine mesh sieve. Then, return it to the pot and gently fluff it with a fork. This simple step helps separate the grains, giving your farro a light, appealing texture. It's now ready to be enjoyed as a hearty side dish, mixed into a vibrant salad, or as the satisfying base for your favorite grain bowls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.